Did you know you only need to win 60% of your trades to be profitable in the end? And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. This works for anybody of any experience level, so make sure to stay tuned and watch this all the way through. This means you're only winning 40% of your trades, or 4 out of every 10 of your trades. Now you're able to do this with a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward, and I'm going to show you the math and how you're able to do that. So a 1 to 2 risk to reward essentially means that you're doubling your risk every time that you win. So you're making double the amount that you are risking every time that you win. Now, we do an estimation here. Let's say you're risking $100 and your reward every time you win is $200 and your win rate is 40%. So here's a simulation of 10 trades right here. So we have 4 wins. You're making $200 on each win. That's $800 in profit. You have 6 losses. You're losing $100 on those losses. That's $600 in the negative. So 800 minus 600 means you're netting $200, or roughly $20 per trade on average. This is very simple. This is literally just using math to achieve profitability. If you have a strategy that can give you at least a 40% win rate, then you're able to be profitable. And that is literally all you need to make money. Is really that simple. And I think there are a lot of strategies out there that you're able to at least get a 40% win rate. Now, break even win rate, this means you're not negative or positive, is roughly a 33 or 34% win rate. So if you can get above that, then you're more than just a break even trader. So it's really that easy, guys. This does not really need much explanation. With a 40% win rate, you can be profitable plus 2% in the end, even if you're losing 60% of your trades. It's really that easy. It is that simple. If you use simple math and have a strict risk to reward ratio, this is able to be achieved by anybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.